This is going to turn from the hardest to the easiest question. If 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 4, what is the value of the expression below? Right now, the equation and the expression look like they have nothing to do with each other, so let's ignore the equation for now and just focus on simplifying the expression. So whenever we work with powers, you always want to try to get the bases to be the same, and we could do that because 27 could be rewritten as 3 times 3 times 3, 3 cubed, because 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, and then 9 could be rewritten as 3 times 3, which is 3 squared. So if we replace those numbers with the powers, it's just going to be 3 cubed raised to the x power times 3 squared raised to the y power. And whenever we raise a power to an exponent, you keep the base and multiply the exponents. 3 times x is just going to be 3x. Same thing over here, we keep the base of 3 and multiply 2 and y together, 2y. And whenever we multiply powers with the same bases, you keep the base and add up the exponents. So it would be 3 raised to the 3x plus 2y power, and we divide that whole thing by 3, and there's an invisible exponent of 1. And another exponent rule that you should know is whenever we divide powers with the same bases, you keep the base again and subtract the exponents. So it would be 3x plus 2y minus 1. And that is where the equation comes in, because 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 4. So it's just going to be 3 to the 4th power. And we know that 3 cubed is 27, so 27 times 3 is going to be 81, and that is your answer.